Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
If there's no fetal heartbeat detected by 6 to 7 weeks of pregnancy, it could signal a serious issue like a miscarriage or halted development. Early ultrasounds before 6 weeks might not show a heartbeat yet, so the timing of the ultrasound is key. Always talk to your healthcare provider for accurate diagnosis and support.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.